right turn at traffic lights and from centre of road areas, drivers often swing wide unnecessarily just before a right turn with a significant crash causality. This video is preempted by IDSQR 0065, which shows you what could happen. This is it actually occurring. Our light's gone red. Oncoming cars have a green turn arrow. First car goes straight through, then starts turning. Second car, white, swings wide. You can see the gap between the white and the pink, that how far they are away from the curb, and the blue shows where they connect with the truck that is in their own lane. 100% car, you swing wide unnecessarily before a right turn at traffic lights. Interesting, we pulled over and stopped and gave the video to the truck driver. The car driver was blaming them for swerving into them before she turned right. The evidence shows a different story.